Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a group on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to make a group on the PlayStation 5, all you need to do guys is click on the PlayStation or the PS button on your controller. And then once you do that, here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these options. Here you're gonna find home, switcher, notifications, game base, music, downloads and uploads, sound, mic, and so on. Go ahead and click on game base. And then once you click on game base, here you're gonna find friends, parties, messages, and right here you're gonna find Discord. So go ahead and click on messages and then click on new messages. And basically guys, right now, if you want to create a group, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is add people who you want to add to the group. For example, I'm gonna add a friend of mine. For example, I'm gonna add this one, and I'm gonna also add this one. And then once you add people who you want to add to the group, go ahead and click on OK. And then as you can see guys, right now the group is created. You can go to the group settings and change the image and also the group name if you want. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.